Chloe at? Chloe.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to go yellow golden beautiful high in the sky. That's right, golden tickets high in the sky. Wait your ticket.
All right, tickets, madam. Yes, thank you. All right, two big Christmas presents in the box of you. All right. Yeah, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful smile. I like to see you. Hang on tight. Thank you. Sir? Madam?
Tickets, please. Tickets. Golden tickets. Tickets in the air, please. Tickets.
Madam? Thank you, miss. All right, are you two ready?
Oh, yeah.
Give me a big smile. Come on. There it is. He's filming me and everything.
All right. Stick it in.
All right, hang on tight.
Thank
Will
you.
Thank you. All right, madam. Thank you. Sir. Ticket. Thank you. All right, Dad. Bring it over. Get your note on this year, Sonny. Oh, yeah. Something for Mama, too. Yes, sir. All right, hang on tight. Thank you. Ticket for that.
Oh, here you go. All on that.
All right, is you ready? Nothing I'll let you
Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming.
Chloe. Hey, Chloe.
That's the way things happen on the Polar Express. It's a choo-choo with a stunning view that rivals all the rest, but you will never see it advertised. It's a simple fact. We stand a track, though sometimes we're the best, but that can only happen on the Polar Express. That's the sound of breathing. And let's eat. With a little luck, we'll be on time. 'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Lights are gleaming. Far
We gotta get some caribou trouble. I'm gonna need you to chant with us. Ready? Clear those caribou off the track. I said,
Clear those caribou off the track.
I said,
Clear
clear those
those
caribou.
all ahead. Hoorah!
All right, we'll make it. We'll make it. Just a small hiccup. Then we can have a little speed bump in the road.
Hey, no more tears. We're gonna be fine. We're not going
Prior
30 seconds
26?
late, so.
Everyone just breathe.
Hello, everyone.
Greetings, passengers.
Salutations all.
Welcome aboard the Polar Express. We would like to take a moment to introduce ourselves. My name is Karis,
My name is John.
And my name is Danny.
and now on the count of three, we would love to know what your name is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was great. I definitely have more energy from the passengers in my half of the car.
I think she's right.
I don't think so. I definitely think the passengers on my half of the train are a little more energetic.
She's right too.
Oh, really? Let's see about that. On the count of three, everyone in my half of the car, shout your name as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay, that was pretty good, but I bet we can beat that. Everyone facing me, ready? On the count of three, shout your name. 1, 2, 3.
Those are some of my favorite names. We have some really excited people on board the Silver Bell today.
So, many of you may be wondering why our car is called the Silver Bell.
I know, it's because the outside is a beautiful silver color.
Yes, that is. And you made your sister put out the milk and cookies this year. Is all of that true?
Yes, ma'am.
Well then, sounds to me like this is your crucial year. A ticket, please.
I'm not sure I have a ticket.
Try your pocket.
There's nothing in this pocket. There's a hole in it.
Try your other pocket. Thank you, sir.
This stamp, it looks like a letter. What does it mean?
Nothing I need to know. Take your seat, young man.
Well, hello there, everyone. I said, hello there, everyone. Now, how many of you can see me? Raise your hands if you can see me. Maybe some of you can, some of you can't, but one thing's for sure. Seeing is believing, am I right? Well, sure I am. Seeing is believing, but sometimes the most authentic, genuine tickets to ride. I'd keep those in a safe place if I was you. They was given to each of us for a reason. Even some of us, can I say, of the elder persuasion who maybe forgets things. Maybe you're a doubter. Maybe you just don't believe. Now, one more time, those that have a golden ticket, hold it up in the air for me. Ain't that a beautiful sight?
I thought he was finna cook.
Those are official, authentic, genuine tickets to ride. Those are official. Looky there. Yep, hold on tight to that. You're gonna need it. Those are official, authentic, genuine tickets to ride.
We got it. Hey, we got it. Hey, we got it. Oh, we got it. So we got it. Yo, we got it. Here we only got one rule. Never, never let it cool. Keep it cooking in the pot. We got it. Oh, we got it. Hey, we got it. Say, we got it. Oh, we got it. So we got it. Yo, we got it. Here we only got one rule. Here we only got one rule. Never, ever let it cool. Never, ever let it cool. Keep it cooking in the pot. You got hot chocolate. Hot, hot. Here we got it. Hot, hot. Oh, we got it. Hot, hot. Here we got it. Hot, hot. Oh, we got it. Hot, hot. Here we got it. Oh, we got it. Hot, hot. Here we got it. Hot, hot. Here we got it. Hot, hot. Here we got it. Hot, hot. Oh, we got it. Hot, hot. Here we got it.
Watch your heads, watch your heads. Watch out.
All right. Yay!
Chopping for you.
Girl, you got you some hot chocolate. What does it taste like? It's good. Look, Chloe. Oh, we got some cookies. You so silly.
Sugar cookies.
sir. This is the Polar Express. I took his outstretched hand and he pulled me aboard. The train was filled with other children, all in their pajamas and nightgowns. We sang Christmas carols and ate candies with ribbon centers as white as snow. Was one of you? Look, shouted one of the children, the elves. Outside, we saw hundreds of elves. As our train drew closer to the center of the North Pole, we slowed to a crawl. So crowded, no still rings for me, as it does for all who truly believe.
I'm wishing on a star and trying to believe that even though it's far, he'll find me Christmas Eve. I guess that Santa's busy.
You messed up the whole video.
Never comes around. I think of him when Christmas comes to town.
It's crying.
The best time of the year,
That's your song.
when everyone comes home with all this Christmas cheer. It's hard to be alone. Putting up the Christmas tree with friends who come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town. Presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I've heard about, but never really seen. No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. What'd you get for Christmas? Speaker, what about you? Xbox? Ooh. Volleyball, that you like to play volleyball? I like to play volleyball too. What about you? What about you? Oh, it's a lot of Christmas presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I've heard about, but never really seen. No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. When Santa's sleigh bells ring, I listen all around. The herald angels sing. I never
Steepest downhill grade in the world, so I would advise everyone to hold on tightly. What was that? Jiminy Christmas! It seems that something or someone has landed on the roof of this train. I'm off to the roof to investigate.
Someone very special has arrived to meet you.
What? You just ruined everything.
The first gift of Christmas. This bell is a wonderful symbol of the spirit of Christmas. Merry
Wait a
Christmas.
minute.
Thank you.
Better keep that in a safe place. Just remember, the true spirit of Christmas lies in your heart for all who truly believe.
What you was singing? She a hater. Hater written all over her face. Look at my Chloe. I don't really believe. Ooh, y'all at the food everywhere y'all go. Oh, they know.
You're not very happy about the magic train?
She got her on the wheel. Hey, you don't want to bet, you should be so bell. Thank you. She got her a bell. Merry Christmas. Thank you. You got me a bell. Now start crying. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh, you got your bell.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Bye.
Shake it down. Why you shaking it like that? She has a problem. Okay, I'm not a child. Right? Stop acting like a
I can't believe we just met Santa Claus. Can you believe he was right here on this train?
I told you it was a magic train.
And we got these beautiful bells.
Hey everyone, ring your bells for us. Let's hear them.
That sounds fantastic. You know there are more than 100 Christmas songs that use the word bells in them? But can you guess the most popular one? Did you know it was written in 1857 and originally called One Horse Open Sleigh?
I did not know that. Did you know that? Oh, I didn't either. Oh, she did that.
All right, everyone, bells high in the air. Parents, you sing along with us too. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Bells will stop the ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells. all the way.
Oh, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw So, passengers of the Silver Bell, our journey will soon come to an end. Once again, we have loved having you all on the Polar Express, and along with your new, beautiful bells, we hope you have something new to take with you in here.
I have new knowledge. I learned what the LE means. It means learn. Although I know a lot of things, I needed to learn that patience and a little bit of humility will serve me well. Madeline, Ocean, and Elijah helped me learn that today. Thank you. Ed, show us your bell.
It's gone.
What do you mean it's gone? Where is it?
There's a hole in my pocket. I lost it. I lost the bell from Santa.
Don't worry. We'll find it. We'll help you. All of us. Wait. Look.
I've heard you've lost something, young man, and Lynn found this. It has your name on it.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Lynn. There's no greater gift than a gift of friendship. Now, who's it from?
Santa.
Really? What a beautiful bell.
There's a note.
What does your note say?
Found this on one of the seats of this train. Better fix that hole in your pocket. Mr. C.
But how did Santa know?
One thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to the passengers of the Polar Express.
Well, hello everyone. Remember me? Now, let me ask all of you something. What exactly is your persuasion on the big man now? I'm curious. Raise your hand if you saw the big man here today. Hands up if you saw Mr. Santa Claus himself right here in person with your very eyes. Raise them up. You too, some of you adult types. Well, looky there. So maybe some of you was doubters and now you believe again? Or maybe, just maybe, the spirit of Christmas came back to here. I understand that during a, can I say, train ride of your life, some of you may have been bamboozled or duped, and you didn't want to let the big man in here. But maybe now, today, right here in this moment, you're rethinking this whole thing. take a look at the faces of these young people and you see it. And you remember. Maybe you remember the sound of that bell. Sure, seeing is believing, but sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see. And so, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now is the time to see, to check. Remember earlier today when you was a doubter? You was a doubter and you couldn't hear the sound of the bell on my hat? Well, let's see who hears it now. Raise your hands if you can hear the sound of this bell. Ready? Say, that's a big difference from when we rang it earlier on our journey. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened. I know what happened. It's a magic carpet on a rail and it never takes a rest. Flying through the mountains in the snow. You can ride it for an hour and join in the fun, and at the end, all you gotta do is say yes. Because that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all you believers.
Why are you still recording?
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Look. Oh.